Hi guys, this is just a quick update. I don't want you to sit and stuff. I don't know. And yeah, I'm gonna have a sneak peek to the video Perfect 2. And I have a makeup thing at the end after that. And then, yeah. And I'm gonna post it on the 11th. And yeah, enjoy the sneak peek to my video, Perfect 2.
You can be the pencil and I can be the paper. You can be as cold as the winter weather, but I don't care as long as we're together. Don't know if I could ever be without you, 'cause boy, you complete me. And in time I know that we'll both see that we're all we.
That's me, I'm doing the makeup to Perfect 2. This is it. I have to get my makeup kit out. Just stay here. I got it out. This is my makeup kit. And it's gonna slide open like this. With our mirror. And yeah, this is the makeup to Perfect 2. I gotta take my glasses off. Sorry. Just let me do something like this. She said that it looks like a white. Yeah, it kind of does look like a white. So I'm going to put it on the side. And that's good. Do you think that's good? Choose. I got this side. And I'm going to do this side. And then I'm going to put on this blue right here. Can't touch my camera. I think I did already. Put it on. That looks like a super white, kinda, when you do it. Kinda does. Let's see. I'm gonna put my glasses on. Yeah, this is what it looks like. You can see me. I have to look at you all the time when I make a video. When I'm in, by a mirror, I look in the mirror, not the camera. So yeah. Should I put some lipstick on? Even not. Blush? But I can't do it. I'm sad. Sorry. Yeah, okay, here. I think this must stay. Well, I guess I'll do blush. Okay? Okay. Do the blush. Give me out. What color? This little pink. Little pink. That pink. And then I'm going to put some of this white on top of the pink. So they're like rosy cheeks. See, they kind of look like rosy cheeks. Yeah. Perfect. You could be the peanut butter to my jelly. You could be the butterflies feeling my belly. I'm like when the first man, you just like feeling my first day. And boy, you complete me. What's it supposed to be? What's it supposed to be? Oh yeah. What's it supposed to be? Okay. Actually, I don't want lipstick. lipstick is regularly on me. Okay, I gotta wash it off. Okay. One second. I know, this is the most horrible thing of me doing a makeup thing. And that was my makeup to Perfect 2. Yeah. It will be in the video. You saw the fake clip already. And I know you saw the fake clip. But you will see the video. Going out on August 12th. Wait, actually, I changed it. Not August the 12th. August? How about August 11th? Yeah, August 11th. Put it at the end, all the stuff that you can't understand me. Okay.